The 2013 Subaru Impreza. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Subaru paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.